What is a ternary operator and why is it called a ternary operator? Why it is not called something else? So in order to explain that, let's take an example. So first of all, I define a variable named x and I assign 15 to it. And then I want to define another variable named result. And then I want to check whether the x is odd or even. So in order to do so, I simply type if x and I use this operator and then I type 2. It means that if the remainder of x, when we divide it by 2, so this means the remainder of x when we divide it by 2 is equal to 0. So if you divide a number by 2 and the remainder is 0, it means that number is divisible by 2. So it means that number is even. So in that case, I want to assign even into this variable, this results variable, and otherwise, else, I want to store odd into that variable. So now if I print this results variable, and if I run the code, you can see the result is odd because our number is odd. But if I change this number, for example, to something else, for example, 18, and if I run the code, you can see the result is even because this number is even. And maybe you ask, why is it called a ternary operator? Why it is not called something else? Because in English, ternary means consisting of 3 things. So in this expression, it consists of 3 things. Number 1 is this condition. Number 2, the value if true, and number 3, the value if false. So actually it consists of 3 things, so it's a ternary operator. It is called a ternary operator. But also we have nested ternary operators as well. But what do I mean? Let's take an example. Suppose that we want to say if x is greater than or equal to 90, in that case I want to store, for example, a into this results variable. the grade is going to be a. But otherwise, else we want to say some other stuff. But in that other case, otherwise we want to have even some conditions. We want to say, okay, if the mark was not greater than or equal to 90, so it depends. If the number, x, if the mark was greater than or equal to 80, in that case, we want to say the grade is B, but otherwise, the grade is C. So as you can see here, we are saying if the number is greater than or equal to 90, in that case, you want to assign A to this results variable, but otherwise, it depends. So it depends on what? It depends whether the number is greater than or equal to 80. If it is the case, we're going to store B, otherwise we're going to store C. So it's so simple. You can cut this expression, you can cut this line and paste it here. So as you can see, it's a kind of nested ternary operators. We're nesting two ternary operators together. So that's why it is called a nested ternary operator. So now if I print the results, so if I print the results variable and if I run the code, you can see the result is A because our mark is 90. But for example, if I pass 75 and if I run a code, you can see the result is C.